Hi, Ryan Rice with Rice Properties Group. Welcome to our new listing in Belmont Bay. We are so pumped to list this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3-level single family home, just under 5,000 square feet. Come on in, let's check it out. With amazing curb appeal on the outside, you are equally greeted with fresh hardwood floors and a 2-story foyer. The dining room has elegant columns and a sophisticated tray ceiling. The living room is warm and inviting with a cozy fireplace and tons of natural light with large custom windows and skylights. The living room opens into a large welcoming kitchen with updated appliances and a bump out for a breakfast area. The 3 bedrooms upstairs are large and spacious, including the primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom, soaking tub, and stand-up shower. Descending into the basement, we find a 4th bedroom with a full bathroom and a bonus flex room. Experience the ultimate cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite movies with stunning audio and visual quality. Outside, with the maintenance-free Trex deck and jacuzzi, this home boasts the perfect atmosphere for peaceful evenings and entertaining guests. Belmont Bay is not just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. As a resident, you'll have access to the plethora of amenities, including a community pool, tennis courts, a marina on the beautiful Occoquan River, scenic walking trails, and exciting community events. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Schedule your private tour today and make this home yours.